My parents didn't believe what they said
Had anything
to do, but they have said it rains every time we go camping, and it rained every time we went camping.
I mean, to the point where I heard stories of them floating out on their air mattresses.
That was our friends. We didn't set up in low water.
Well, yeah, that's true. That's it. But get the point. Get the point. Just because you can't see how A leads to B. If the scripture says that A leads to B, it do. One way or another, sooner or later, that's the way it is.